Right, so to make this bracelet you need about 8 feet of cord and a fid. If you haven't got a fid, I'll leave a link in the description down below for a knotter's tool, Amazon link, and the fids come with this one. It's really good. And what you need to do first of all is tie a snake knot. So I'm holding the bite like this. You grab your bottom cord, wrap it around the top cord like that, and you reach underneath, grab that cord, and you should have a hole there. This is the hole that you're holding on to at the end. This is the new hole that you've made, and what you do is shove that top cord, that other cord, down through the hole, and you should end up with something like this. Now what you need to do now is make this hole here as small as you possibly can. So all I'm basically doing is squidging it, pulling, pushing it, trying to get that knot. Sometimes you have to undo it a little and squidge it up again until you have a little hole at the end. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to test the friction of the bracelet. So I'm going to put my fid on the end of one bit of cord. I'm going to poke it through that hole. And I'm going to do the other side as well. And what this is doing is making sure the hole that you've made, the little hole that you've made, is small enough. Oh, I think that's going to be good. Right. So as you can see, the cord goes through. This is the basic shape of the bracelet, and to make it adjustable, the cords have to slide through. But you don't want the cords to be too loose, and you don't want it to be too tight, or else you won't be able to adjust the bracelet. This one here is Goldilocks. It's not too loose, it's not too tight, it's just right. So I'm going to take the cords out. I've got that little hole, we keep that hole there, and all we're going to do is another snake knot. And then you just keep going down the bracelet until you get to your desired length. Now my wrist is about 7.5 inches in diameter, and I measured last night, and the actual snake knot piece I did was about 7 inches long. So here we go. I'm just going to keep doing snake knots, and you want to make sure that you tie these snake knots consistently so they're all the same size. So while I'm doing this, if you're still here, well done. If you could do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. I've also got memberships now, so if you'd like to help support the channel, hit that join button down there, and I'll see you at the bottom. Okay, so I'm at the bottom. Now what do? Well, we attach the fids again, and we poke them, both cords, through that top hole. Like this. Now I'm going to put my wrist through. Oh, that's perfect. I'm going to put my hand through, and the widest part of my hand is where I am going to tie a miniature rose button knot. So all we do is start off exactly the same as a snake knot. Get that cord, wrap it over the top, the other cord through the hole. That's what you're used to by now. But now what we're going to do is turn the knot up vertical. Hopefully you can see that. Right, we've turned the knot up vertical, and as you can see, this top cord wants to curl that way, this other cord wants to curl the other way. So you let them, and all you do, you get that top cord and tuck it up through the middle there, and you get your bottom cord and you tuck it, hopefully you can see that, up through the hole there, like that. And then it's just a case of cinching the knot together. Sometimes you have to work the knot through, take the slack out, like that. Hopefully you can see the miniature rose button knot, and if you look down the top you can see it looks a bit like a rose. And now all we do is snip and cinch. So there it is, a nice miniature rose button knot. And if you think that the snake knot is only for bracelets or key rings, think again, because you can also make lanyards out of them. And if you want to know how to do that, check out the video up there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.